Hello, my name is Jason Flagel. This is BrandHero. This is a web application that helps businesses create a compelling, authentic brand narrative or story that positions their customers as the hero on the hero's journey and their brand as the trusted guide that can help that customer. So you can define the heroes or the customer of the story, position the brand, map that customer journey, and ultimately generate helpful content that's going to help guide that business here. So users or businesses can create their own account. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when they log in here. So let me move this over. So on here is where they can create a new story project. So in this case, they can select an existing story. So I picked like a roofing project as one that I created here, or create a new project. So let's do dental office as one to create a new project. So here, and then this is where you actually describe the business. So you can describe the customer's current state, like where they're at in that journey. So once you go through this process, it will create what's called a project here. So I can actually go in and like click one of these. Let me see here. Oh, okay. Let me go to story arc here. So I can come in here once it's created. So it's underneath story arc. So when I come into like the roofing project, for example, I can see the submissions here for each of those steps of that journey. So here's the customer's current state. So I put in here, information about that, and then it will create an AI enhanced story. So basically the goal here is just to enhance that narrative. So what's the customer's perspective? What's the guide or the business's, the brand's perspective here? And then you can actually create a story brand framework based on Donald Miller's like story brand framework, creating the hero's journey for this brand. So, and this is all using OpenAI's reasoning models to create this. So you can see here, who the character is, what are their problems. In this case, for the roofing company, leaking hail dented roof. How does the guide come in, walked in their shoes. So it gives this very detailed like story arc process that's going to help. And then the brand can actually download this as a PDF and open this and see, the hero's journey process, which is very useful for the brand. And then the other element here is you can actually create different personas for that customer. So in this case, I have Helen here for the roofing project. And you can create these different personas over here. So in this case, I can create a new persona if I want. And it uses AI to generate some of these elements based on the basic information that's added. So in this case, I can select Helen, and I can create email, blog, website copy, or social media copy. And I can click on generate content. And you can generate the content using AI based on the particular tone of voice that the user wants or the brand wants, and also the particular stage of that journey. So let me try here on generate the content here for this. So you can see here like the content that's generated for an Instagram post. And you can save this or click on copy to copy it to like the Notes app, for example. And it will also give some recommendation on the metrics, here with what's going to be used for that content that's generated. And then here you can log out. There's also user settings as well. So again, this is designed to help a brand optimize the customer personas that they're serving using a story-driven approach, using AI-powered tools added in here. So thank you very much.